Hey, what's going on? It's Paul Farmer from paulgfarmer.com, and I'm going to be doing my Power Lead System income proof and results today. Before I get to that, I just want to let you know that we currently have a 90-day blitz going on, and what that means is it is step-by-step, hands-on training, daily live training to show you exactly what to do to build a full-time income online, just like I have and many others have done. So you get that, and all you have to do is be what's called a diamond member. I'll get to that a little bit later in this video. It's really next to nothing for the value you're getting. But we have that going on, and I also have my own private group as well, where I share what I do on a daily basis, my resources, what I do for traffic. I mean, just everything. It's my inner circle. Whenever I learn something, I bring it in there. And I answer questions and things like that. And for right now, you can still get access to it for just being what's called a diamond member, but only for the next 2 weeks. After that, it's going to be platinum and above only, because I only want to work with people that are dead serious about creating a full-time income online in that group. That's what it's designed to do. And so that's what it's going to be in just a couple weeks. So right now, you can still become a diamond member, and you can still get access to my group as well. Okay, so without going any further into this, let's just get right to the results. So Power Lead System is a marketing tools and training platform. I've been a part of this program since 2015, April 2015, so over 3 years now. And for the first till September 2017, late September 2017, I never really took it seriously. I literally just used the marketing tools, the pages that are provided, just the tools that are provided, just like Power Lead System is designed to do. And I create trainings. I use the pages for various different programs and things like that. I use the training, but I never really tapped into the compensation plan until late September 2017. And when I decided to do that, and when I decided to purchase all the levels, and at that time, that was the gold level, the diamond level, and the Social Profit Academy level. So this one is $53.97 a month. This one's $147 one time, pays $100 commissions. And this one was $497 one time, pays $400 commissions. And for the longest time, I was just a gold and diamond member, so I never really took it that seriously. Yeah, I made a little money, but I didn't make full-time income until I made the decision I'm going all in my business, and I decided to purchase the Social Profit Academy. And as soon as I did that, there was a shift that took place. I was no longer like I'm not really pushing this anymore. I'm pushing this thing. I'm going to make this thing work. I'm going to create a full-time income with this program. And I have been able to do that. I was able to do that within a few months. In fact, within 3 weeks of getting Social Profit Academy, I had my first $2,000 week. Not month, week. And before that, I think my high was like $150 in a week. So drastic change, okay? Now, just yesterday, very excited, very, very, very excited about this, because what this means is way more income and quality training, a lot of quality training. And they released another level, and it's called Master Traffic Institute. One of the things I love about Power Lead System is they've had the same programs since it started in 2013. They've had the same programs. They haven't changed. So we were due for something kind of high ticket. I don't know if it's considered a high ticket, but we'll say it's a low high ticket, right? So it's going to pay $1,000 commissions and $200 overrides, meaning when your team has this product and they make a sale, you make $200. So as you can tell, this is really going to start adding up. Really, I say it's going to double our incomes, if not more. So I'm super excited. Plus, this is going to bring in heavier hitters. This is going to bring in people that want to make the $1,000 commissions. They want to make the bigger money, because now Power Lead System is a program. We were already doing, high, close to $2,000 a month, $2,000, $3,000, even $4,000. I have even seen some people do $8,000 in a week. I'm sorry, not a month. Let me redo that again. Those are weekly numbers. So I've been making over $1,000 since the beginning of this year, 2018. As soon as we hit this year, I did over 3,000 in 1 week. And then it's been a number of 2,000 plus weeks. And then I've had a ton of 1,000 plus weeks. And I've never gone under even $1,200 in that whole time. So this program just keeps consistently producing. And now that we have this brand new level where it's going to pay you $1,000 commissions, now you have, as a customer, earning potential on the front and just the beginning, just for them getting the products. You can make 15, 26 on one customer. That's not including all the overrides, the bonuses, the passives, just everything else involved in it, all the leverage involved in it. So as you can see, this could easily become a $20,000 per month income, without taking too long. 15 to 20,000, I would say. Okay, now some people will go bigger than that. Some people make less than that. But I say that is what is very much possible with the way it sits now. Okay, I'll come back to Master Traffic Institute just a little bit later, but let's just get to my results because I know that's what people want to see. People want to see results. They want to see the proof. And, I've been doing this for many months. I think I've been doing this since September 2017 when I really started getting serious about this. So the proof is out there. If you want proof, if you want to see results, it is out there. It is available to you. And so you don't have to does it work? I don't know if it works. Will it work for me? You don't have to do that. It absolutely works. Power Lead System pays on time every time. It's one of the things I love about it. I've been in programs that don't pay. You do the work and they don't pay. Or you wake up and they're gone the next morning. That is not what this is about. This pays on time like clockwork every time without fail. So that's a beautiful thing. So right now you're looking at my earnings for this week. The week it ended on Saturday night, started over on Sunday. And as you can see, I'm over $1,000 already for this week. Just this week. This is just Tuesday. It just started. Okay, so you can see the power of this program for sure. Okay, so you can see it's just getting kicked off. 1,130. Okay, so that's this week. So I'm going to jump to last week. And last week I did 1990. There we go, 1990, okay? So here we have the gold level, which pays $20 residual income. Plus on top of that, and this is what I was missing for the longest time, and this is why I never really took it seriously, the 50% match on every single person you bring into your organization. Every person you bring into your organization, you're going to make 50% match. So if they go on to make $1,000 for the month, you make $500. They make $2,000, you make $1,000. So that can really add up really quick, especially if your team is duplicating. They're replicating what you are teaching them, or what we teach them, actually. The 147, one time, remember this, one time. When I'm going through this, please pay attention, all right? Because there's only one residual income here. There's only one monthly. Everything else is a one-time payment, and it pays you over and over and over and over and over. It's unlimited, okay? It's unlimited. And I think a lot of people miss these points. Like, they miss this. It's 147 one time. You pay it one time, you're done, and you can earn unlimited $100 commissions plus 25% matches on your team, okay? So when your team has the diamond level at 147, you make $25 just because they got a sale. Now, if they don't have this level and they get this sale, it rolls up to you and you make $100. Plus, there are passives involved as well, so you have those coming up as well. And it really starts adding up. Excuse me. Better grab some water here. All right, so now the same thing applies for Social Profit Academy. There are no roll-ups on this level, and it pays you $400 per sale. $400 per sale. So I want to stop right there because I want you to understand something, okay? Just at these three levels, because the Master Traffic Institute, which pays $1,000 commissions, $200 overrides, didn't exist. And we've been doing well over $1,000 a week, up to over $4,000 a week just on our team. And I've done up to high 3,000, I think it was mid 3,000. Had a mid $3,000 a week. And so just at that level, just so you can see, and that's about $700, which is really not a lot when you start a business. It's really not a lot of money. And I made, thousands and thousands over what I paid. So the money, it's definitely worth doing, okay? Now, with the platinum level, you're going to get $50 overrides. So whenever your teammate who has platinum, if they don't have platinum, the $400 goes to you. But if they do, you make $50, okay? So you can see that's happening here. So let me just go back a little bit. I'm going to take you all the way back to, let's go back to the beginning, okay? So as you can see, when I first started, I'm not making this stuff up. When I first started, April 12, 2015, okay? When I started April 2015, there you go, $32. And you can see, and I'm going to go kind of fast. You see these numbers are not spectacular in any shape or form. I mean, $20, $20, $20, $40, $120, I think that was like a high. This was when I wasn't really taking it seriously. I was using the tools, I was using the training, but I wasn't taking this seriously. There's a 138. And when we get to September of 2017, I want you to pay close attention so you can see just what happens, okay? This is what happens when you decide to take your business seriously. This is what happens when you decide to go all in your business. And remember, all in back then was $700. All in now is much greater than that, So here we go. Right here, you can see the shift, okay? So $50. Then I got Social Profit Academy. I jumped up to $413. I jumped up to $730. And then I did a big jump, and I never made this much in a week with this program, $2,055. And then I nearly did another $2,000. And during this time, I was doing only free traffic. I wasn't doing any paid traffic. I was only doing free traffic. Now, when I started getting to this level, I started doing paid traffic. And our team, we have a traffic co-op. It's all I use. And you can get access to that when you join my team. You're going to have access to our co-op. And people love our co-op because our co-op gets results. You don't have to go and look around and try to find traffic. We have it for you right there in our group. All right. So then as you can see, I was building my team. Okay. So you can see I was building my team. It fluctuates. It went down to 378, 372. This was the building process. This was the first 90 days. All right. But let's jump all the way over to the first of the year. There you go. 3470, 3470, 2000, 1604. Over 2,000. This was a lower week. Nearly 2,000, 2,000. So you can see this is very, very consistent. Over 2,000, over 2,000, over 2,000, over 2,000. 1693, 1,400, 2,543. So you can see it's very consistent all the way down. What's being earned, and I'm telling you the truth. I'm making over $1,000 a week easily with this program. Okay, so that's Power Lead System. Let's jump back over to right here, the Getting Started. I'm going to move this over here. So now we have what's called the Traffic Master Institute, and what that is, what Master Traffic Institute, mixing that up there, they took basically all the top earners in Power Lead System, or a number of top earners in Power Lead System, and asked them to do training on their traffic generation techniques, what they do to generate traffic. So that's basically what you're getting with this product. There is a ton of training in here. You really can't go wrong. There's tons of value with this. So this is what's going on right now. We have this new product. I'm very excited about it. It's going to be doubling our incomes. Look for $4,000, $6,000, $8,000, even $10,000 weeks going forward from us, because I just don't see it any other way how it wouldn't happen. Right now we're in what's called a grace period. So right now, if you are in Power Lead System and you haven't upgraded yet, you have 9 days now. 9 days to upgrade so you don't lose any commissions. As long as you do that, they're giving you a grace period. After that, though, if you make that sale and you're not at that level, there goes $1,000. Now, I don't know about you, but I personally did not want to lose $1,000 ever. I never want to. I lost $400 a couple of times with the Social Profit Academy, and that sucked. But I do not want to lose $1,000 commission. So one of the things I did, as soon as this thing went live yesterday, I jumped on it and I purchased it. And I didn't even look at the price, guys. I literally just clicked the button and purchased. And because I knew I wanted it, and I knew I needed to set the example and show people, hey, you know what? I'm in this to win it. I'm going to make this happen no matter what. And that's what I did, okay? So anyway, that's all I got. Thanks for watching. Just understand we have all kinds of training. Like I said, 90-day blitzes going on. I have my private group, and we have many, many more resources than that. Click the link right below. Go ahead and get started. And what I didn't say was, what do I do to do all this? We have a funnel, okay? We have a sales funnel, capture page, sales page, an email sequence. We run traffic. We get co-op traffic. We do paid strategies and free strategies, which we teach, which is also taught within Power Lead System. But we teach all this stuff to you so you know exactly what to do. That's what we do. And then we follow up. We follow up with our leads. We show them the system. We provide them training that's already provided for us. Very simple to do. But anyway, that's all I got. Go ahead, click the link right below this video. Get started. I'll see you on the inside, and make it a great day.